What is starch? Green leaves make food in the form of glucose. First it makes food in the form of glucose. That glucose is what? A simple sugar. That glucose only then converted into starch. So that glucose only stored as starch. Okay. This is the product. அதாவது எண்டில் கிடைக்கிறது. This is the product of photosynthesis. Food prepare ஆயிடுச்சு. Okay. I said exchange of gases happens through the stomata. Isn't it? So the stomata is the tiny pores present underneath the leaves. Okay. So both the sides pores are there, but many number of stomatal pores are present at the back side of the leaves. So through the stomata only exchange of gases happens, I said. Isn't it? See, through our nose only we take in oxygen and we are breathing out carbon dioxide. We breathe in oxygen and we are breathe out carbon dioxide. Exchange of gases. So the same way through the stomata pore the exchange of gases happens. Okay. So what are the gases are there? Carbon dioxide and oxygen. Okay. We have to write like this. Carbon. So it's small hyphen dioxide. Then oxygen. Okay. See, we can write like this also. CO2. Have to write down at the O. Okay. CO2. Okay. C stands for this carbon and O stands for this oxygen. Di means 2. Okay. We can write like this also. Then for oxygen also. OXYGEN. Okay. Oxygen. O2. Okay. So in this way also we can write. See, you have to know this clear. That's why I am saying it separately. Clear, children? For the photosynthesis process, plants takes in carbon dioxide for the preparation of food. For the photosynthesis process, which gas is needed for this plant? Carbon dioxide. For the preparation of food, plants need carbon dioxide. Okay. So it prepares the food with the help of carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. So the photosynthesis process happens. At the end result, it releases out the gas called oxygen. It releases out oxygen and food, starch. Are you clear, children? So we can write like this also. Simple. Okay, see, photosynthesis process. Carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. The photosynthesis process happens. As a result, it gives out oxygen and starch. Oxygen and starch. Are you clear, children? So this way also we can explain the photosynthesis process. Are you clear? When the photosynthesis process happens during the daytime, in the presence of sunlight alone, photosynthesis process, food preparation process happens in the plants. Photosynthesis process carried out only during the daytime. Listen carefully. Photosynthesis process carried out only during the daytime in the presence of sunlight. So what gas it needed? Through the stomata, what gas is entered through the stomata? Carbon dioxide enter inside and water is taken. So carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, it prepare food in the form of starch and it release out the gas called oxygen. How the oxygen comes out? Through the same stomata. Are you clear, children? So this way also we can explain the photosynthesis process. So We are saying starch is prepared as a result of photosynthesis process. What is the proof? How can we believe starch only prepared as a food in the plants? What is the proof for that? So for that, now we are going to do an experiment to prove that starch is prepared in the leaf. Starch is prepared in the leaf. Okay, so in the previous session also we tested the potato, no? The potato, the stored form of starch is present in the potato. So we tested what solution we used to test the presence of starch in the potato. Iodine solution we used, no? The same way now we are going to do a starch test in the leaf. And moreover that, so I'm saying sunlight is needed for the plant to prepare the food. So very essential. Sunlight only very essential to prepare the starch, that is food, isn't it? So now we are going to take a potted plant like this. Cover one of its leaf with a black strip of paper like this. Okay, black strip of paper. Edukku black color? Because black color only doesn't allow the sunlight to enter in it. Why we are doing this experiment? To show the sunlight is needed for photosynthesis. So starch test we are doing. Okay. Photosynthesis process நடக்க கூடாது அப்படினா we have to cut down the sunlight. So in order to cut down the sunlight, we are covering a part of the leaf. ஒரு leafல ஒரு பகுதியை மட்டும், part of the leaf. So choose the center part of the leaf, cover a leaf like take a black strip of paper like this and cover the leaf. Okay, in the center part of the leaf, cover the leaf. Okay, leave the potted plant in sunlight for half a day, 6 hours. Okay, so leave the potted plant as such in sunlight. Now you pluck the covered leaf alone. Pluck nanadu edu parithu. So pluck that covered leaf, and now we are going to do the starch test in that leaf alone. So we took that leaf, covered leaf we took. But for doing the starch test, here in potato is white in color, we added iodine, we clearly seen the blue-black color. But look at this leaf, the leaf is green in color. If we added iodine also, the blue-black color, whether the blue-black color comes or not, it won't be clear. For the clarity of our result, what we have to do now, we are going to remove the green color from the leaf. So to remove the green color from the leaf, we are calling that process as bleaching. What is the process name? Bleaching. So we have to boil the leaf. We plucked that covered leaf from the pot, no? So now we are first step, what we have to do? We have to boil the leaf. Okay. So